ChatGPT writes your essays. Dolly creates your art. Sora makes realistic videos. But here's the real question. Is this the future of human creativity or a slippery slope into a world where machines manipulate everything from art to truth? Generative AI is one of the most powerful and controversial technologies of our time. Some say it will revolutionize every industry on earth. Others fear it may erode the very fabric of trust, creativity, and employment. That's exactly why we need to talk about it. This video is brought to you by NIIT. So, hey folks, welcome back to NIIT, where tech and growth are made simple. So, today we ask, is generative AI a force for good or a ticking ethical time bomb? Let's break it all down. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is generative AI? Well, it refers to a type of artificial intelligence that can generate new content, not just analyze or recommend, but actually create. We are talking about original text, art, code, images, music, videos, and even deep fake content. Tools like ChatGPT, Dolly, Midjourney, Runway, and Sora are all examples of generative AI systems. These tools work by training on massive amounts of data, billions of pages of text, millions of images, thousands of hours of video, and learning patterns to produce new human-like outputs. Anyone with an internet connection can now generate a film script, design a logo, create a song, or build a website with just a few prompts. But as with any revolutionary technology, it comes with promises and perils. Let's begin with the bright side. Generative AI has incredible potential to solve problems and unlock creativity. In education, it can act as a personal tutor, breaking down concepts in local languages, helping kids with special needs, or creating adaptive learning material on the fly. In healthcare, it can assist doctors by summarizing medical records, generating patient communication, or even helping to detect anomalies in scans. In the creative arts, designers, musicians, and writers are using Gen AI as a creative partner. It boosts their productivity, reduces technical barriers, and enables more people to express ideas without needing expensive tools or formal training. For startups and businesses, it's a game changer. Marketing copy, customer support scripts, code snippets, product ideas all can be generated in minutes. That's huge efficiency. Even in sectors like agriculture or environmental science, Gen AI is helping analyze patterns, optimize resources, and generate smarter solutions faster. So yes, Gen AI is not just a cool tech, it's a tool that when used right can drive massive positive impact. But of course, the story doesn't end here. Now, let's talk about the dark side, the ethical challenges of Gen AI. First up, misinformation and deepfakes. AI-generated content is getting harder to distinguish from real. From fake celebrity videos to fabricated political speeches, the line between what's real and what's generated is dangerously blurry. Misinformation can spread faster than ever and with terrifying believability. Second is bias in AI outputs. Generative AI tools are trained on human-created data, which means all the biases, stereotypes, and toxic content in the data can show up in results. We have seen AI tools reinforce racial and gender stereotypes in resume, images, and text, all without users even realizing it. Third, job displacement. Many white-collar roles, writers, designers, data analysts, customer support, are already being impacted. AI doesn't take lunch breaks. It doesn't ask for raises. It can do some tasks 10 times faster. This efficiency is great for businesses, but for workers, it can feel like a looming threat. Fourth is intellectual property and ownership. Who owns AI-generated content? Is it the creator of the prompt, the developer of the model? What about when the model has been trained on copyrighted content without permission? If an AI generates art that mimics a famous artist's style, did it copy or create? Fifth, emotional and psychological impacts. As people interact more with AI chatbots, some start forming emotional connections, but these bots don't feel, empathize, or think. This raises ethical questions around manipulation, trust, and the role AI plays in emotional spaces. So yes, while Gen AI is exciting, it also opens a Pandora's box of ethical dilemma. So how do we move forward responsibly? First, we need strong regulations. Government and global bodies must establish boundaries around AI-generated misinformation, copyright infringement, and the use of AI in critical fields like elections, health, and law. Second, companies must embed ethical practices into the AI development process, right from data set curation to model deployment. That means using diverse, representative data, building audit mechanism, and being transparent about how the tools work. Third, we need to clearly label AI-generated content, whether it's a song, a news article, or an image. Users deserve to know what's being created by humans and what's being generated by the machines. Fourth, human oversight is non-negotiable. AI should be a tool that augments human intelligence, not replace it blindly. Decision making, especially in areas like journalism, law, and healthcare, must always include human judgment. And finally, education. As users, we need to understand what Gen AI is and isn't. We need to know its limits, its risk, and how to use it ethically, just like we learned how to use the internet, social media, or digital banking. The future of generative AI isn't written yet, but we all have a role to play in shaping it. So, is generative AI the most powerful creative tool ever invented? Or is it a dangerous shortcut that could break trust, jobs, and even reality? The answer isn't black and white. It depends on how we use it, who controls it, and what values we build into it. That's why we need more conversations, more awareness, and more debate. And also, more people like you thinking critically about this new frontier. So here's your challenge. Use AI responsibly. Question the content you consume. Push for transparency in the tools you use, and most importantly, stay informed. If this video gave you a new perspective, give it a like, share it with a friend, and hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment below. Do you think generative AI is a revolution or a risk? Because the ethical implications of Gen AI aren't just about machines, they are about us and the kind of future we choose to build. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.